Student, are you able to listen me? Okay, okay. Net connectivity problem. Is the problem? My voice is okay. To you all, my voice to you all. My voice is audible to you all. Please cooperate me. Happen the yes. Otherwise, effectiveness of online session will be decline or decrease, right? And that will both of us, right? Me and you too. So yes, let's start. Have a lesson number three: cultural media, sculpture and architecture. So in that one, I made you the definition of sculpture. Then we talked about the ancient Indian towns called Indus Valley civilization. And we discussed and structure of those towns, right? Dholavira, Harappa, and last. Then same lesson about art. That's a very ancient art of and stupas, daityas, right? Buddhist. So all this I made you clear about that one. We also highlighted well-known pieces that make very well-known pieces, right? Example, Stupa of Sanchi. Talked about pillar inscription, Mauryan art or Mauryan era. Then we highlighted Karnath. Then stone made you clear about the stone inscription. Is the definition of what do you mean by stone inscription? In Dravid art in South India, right? That history I talked to you, who were Dravidians and how they means the origin tribes of India and which kind of they have, right? They stressed on means dharma, right? And how they are different from rest of the tribe. All such things that we discuss. Then we switch on the caves or architectures, right? About caves, right? That's have a cave architectures and in our culture. What is the cave in ancient time and middle historical part of India? Which kind of concepting and archetypes in the cave? That's I also discussed to you. Then talked about the caves of in which we highlighted Nagad, Khambalia, then Sana cave, then Jinjuri Jar, Khapra caves, and Gar. So such a things that we switch on the chariot temple. So in that one I made you clear, right? Your temple is importance. Why do we have a such kind of style? Temple, right? Temple architecture of ancient India, Mauryan art, Dravidian, and temple architecture of 9th century to century. So there is a picture on your screen where a temple architecture that means layout form. So Gopuram yesterday I discussed and sent you for your betterment, which I to you, right? The Gopuram means Garbhagruha, teaching point, right? The sun temple, right? There is a figure present on your screen, also in your text. That's 8 Sun Temple of Kunat. YouTube video is also available. You and go through the YouTube video. Hindi and English explanation means YouTube video are in explanation and explanation too. So let us discuss today the Sun Temple of Konark. Sun Temple of Konark is in Odisha. Is one of the forms of chariot temple. This were temple of Tanjore has 30-storied Gopuram. Metallic and stone idol a special characteristics feature. Bronze statue of Nataraj is example of idol sculpting. Chola temples have their own in age in the field of architecture. The used temples of India is spread in a vast area. Four main Gopurams. From architectural point of view, it's a one. In the medieval period, was the capital city of Chandel, Bundelkhand. Chandel, a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. The style of pinnacle varies from other Khajuraho temples. I would like to suggest see the figure full time. So right in this figure carefully. I'm going to pin light or try my best to enlarge it comforts. So Khajuraho temple, this temple, right? Angels were temples without any movement in that time. We do and JCBs, right? And giant machineries with the help of that machine create or construct piece of architectures, bridges or giant construct. But at that time, think about that such a heighted built without any mechanical, right? And architectural style making or very use of architectures. It needs a great skill, great teamwork, planned efforts, right? Feel such kind of things in science fair. Science fair માં કોઈ પ્રોજેક્ટ બનાવો છો તમને ખબર પડે કે what is planning. પ્લાન આર્કિટેક્ચર્સ નું મહત્વ કેવી રીતે ટીમ વર્ક કરાય છે. We are talking about this very ancient. Four gopurams are there. Entrance gate of the temple. A architectural style of entrance is there. Entrance ત્યાં હોય અને એ ચાર દરવાજાથી બધા દરવાજાથી આ ટેમ્પલમાં જતા હતા કોનાર્ક. I would like to share interesting information with you. British government saying its rule. જે અમુક ભાગ છે એ બંધ કરી દીધો પથ્થરને એ ભરીને કારણ કે એ હાલતમાં હતું અને એટલે અમ છે અત્યારે એમના વિઝિટર્સ ઇવન વિધાઉટ અને અમુક ભાગ ઓપન છે અને એ ઓપન ભાગમાં અત્યારે તમારું ફિગર તમારી સામે જ છે તો તમે જુઓ ફ્રોમ લેન્ડ 1 story is there. જો લોકો થોડા ઉપર એમાં તમે જોશો કે એ જે there એ જ ભાગ કેટલો ઊંચો છે એ બીજો ભાગ છે અને પછી મંદિરનું બહુ હાઇટેડ ટેમ્પલ છે. સ્કલ્પટિંગ્સ આર ધેર સુંદર સ્કલ્પટિંગ છે અને વ્હીલ્સ છે વ્હીલ્સ આર બરાબર આ મંદિર મુવમેન્ટ નથી જે આર્કિટેક્ચરલ સ્ટાઇલ છે ચેરિયોટ ટેમ્પલ બનાવવાની એ આમાં પણ because wheels are there move but to ensure style of architecture અને બહુ વિશાળ મંદિર છે અને ભવ્ય મંદિર છે સ્કલ્પટિંગ ને એ બધું બહુ બરાબર. નાઉ સી ટેલ યુ ધીરે ધીરે હવે વાંચીશ અને પણ કરીશ લાઈન બાય લાઈન. The Sark in Odisha. So the place is right. So where is Odisha? Because you all are aware with the Indian states near Bihar. So eastern side of India. Well, the Mauryan dynasty from Bihar, present Bihar. Chandragupta Maurya, Asokan Maurya, Bindusar. That dynasty Bihar. A dynasty no ઉદય ક્યાં થયો? So influence of ancient Indian architecture we find of India more. Now the forms of, so this temple is the forms of right. Pradesh of Tanjore has Puram. If you think about this information, then you would have a means expression wow. Temple of Tanjore stored 13 stored things, right? એટલે જે દરવાજાઓ માળ હતા એટલે 1 2 3 4 5 metallic and stone age have a special characteristics right. So stone idols metal ના હતા અને stone ના હતા special characteristics or features of the right. So metal obviously we find from the clay. Purification of metal great scientific process right. જો જોશો ગોલ્ડ ને કેવી રીતે ફિલ્ટર કરે છે તો માઇનિંગ કરે છે એટલે માટીની અંદર નાના નાના કણો હોય છે ગોલ્ડ પાણીમાં આખી ટ્રકોની ટ્રક માટી ભરી લાવે એને બધી ટ્રાન્સવેલ્યુટ કરે વેલ્યુટ કર્યા પછી એમાંથી પડે પછી એમાંથી પણ એ થોડું વધારે ફિલ્ટરિંગ કરે અને પછી સોનું લે right. Characteristics process to obtain the gold same as other metals copper right. A cup of tea to get a copper from the it's also having great skill. First you have to survey that is land then start to dig right process it heat it and then liquidize that solid copper in and make a idol. So think this is a very nice information but a referential information regards the skill of our ancestors then skilled no doubt about આપણા જે ancestor હતા એમનામાં અદ્ભુત સ્કિલ અને સાબિત કરે છે આ મેટલમાંથી આઇડોલ બનાવી that એમાં કેટલા પ્રકારનું નોલેજ જોઈએ. જમીનમાં મેટલ છે કે નહીં એની ખબર પડી, પછી એનું ખોદકામ કરવાનું, એને પ્યોરિફાય કરવાની, પ્યોરિફાય કર્યા પછી એને લિક્વિડાઇઝ કરવાની, લિક્વિડાઇઝ સોલિડ બનાવવાની આઇડોલ ફોર્મ. our sister having that knowledge, so respect them, right? And always drill that I'm proud of carried heritage. આપણે પ્રતિજ્ઞામાં બોલીએ કે મને મારા બરાબર વારસાનો ગર્વ છે, કારણ કે આપણે આર ઇન્ડિયન્સ હેવિંગ અ 5000 years old historical ancestral heritage. Now bronze stage is the best example of idols club. Chola temple splendor in age in the art and architectures. Splendor. Chola. So Chola is a actual that's a Rajput dynasty. Is a dynasty. So Chola temple splendor in age in the architecture. She one of the used temples in Madurai spread in. So Meenakshi temple is used temples, right? હજુ સાઉથમાં જો ભવ્ય ટેમ્પલ હોય છે જે રીતે means if referred all the old temples, then it's for you to understand the greatness of our ancestors. Or but you refer Akshardham at Delhi, then you come to giant temple construction. Not in the present time, we build uh, Akshardham in Delhi and that construction, right? Construction by BAPS. That kind of giant construction was there by our ancestors. And Devi temple or Meenakshi is a very best example of that one. It has a four main gopuram architectural point of view. The temple in the medieval period was the capital city of Chandala ruler. Of Khajuraho was a capital city, Chandala rulers, where you find such kind of temples having purams. Then the style of pinnacle varies from other. Khajuraho are finest temples. So are the finest temples in Indian history, right? So this is what of today. To ask any question, would you like to ask me any question? This discussion, Sun Temple of Konark or previous discussion? Yes. The two reasons are, see, they wants to present their prosperity's natural style, and the ultimate goals were there. First, faith in religion. They spend their best money, spend their best skill, and to get a fame and name. કોઈ નામના માટે નતા કરતા, પણ એમને ધર્મમાં બહુ વિશ્વાસ, અને ધર્મના વિશ્વાસને લીધે પોતાની કુદરતે પોતાને બેસ્ટ ઇન્ટેલેક્ટ આપી છે, બેસ્ટ મેટલ આપ્યું છે, એ બધું જ દેવી દેવતાઓના મંદિર બનાવવા માટે રાખતા હતા. એમનો ઇન્ટેન્શન આ કે ધીસ ઇઝ બિલોંગ ટુ યુ એન્ડ ધેટ વોઝ અલ્ટિમેટ ઇન્ટેન્શન કે આ ત્યાં આપેલું છે અને બસ આ હેતુથી જ ઇમારતો બનાવતા હતા. યસ, ઓકે. એની મોર ક્વેશ્ચન? આર યુ હેપી ઓર સ્ટીલ યુ હેવ અ ડાઉટ? હા બોલો. એની અધર પાછળના કોઈ ડિસ્કશન એક્સપ્લેન લેસનમાં કોઈ ક્વેરી લખતી વખતે કોઈ સમજણ ના, યુ કેન આસ્ક મી. No question at all? Okay, then